How to fix Roblox chat button missing. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna see how you can easily fix if your chat button is missing on Roblox. So as you guys can see here, I'm inside an experience on Roblox. Now if you want to if you want to chat with someone, you need to tap on the top left corner, but there is no chat icon. As you can see, I only have menu over here, and if I head over to party, I'm only able to invite my friends, and I can only see my DMs. Now let's fix this. First thing you want to do is leave from your experience, and then from there you want to head over to the settings. Tap on more at the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you find settings. Tap on settings. And then from here, you want to simply go to privacy and content restrictions. Then here you would find an option for communication. Head over to communication and then go to experience chat. Now make sure that the experience chat is set to everyone as well as your direct chat. Now go back. Once your settings is saved, which it will automatically, go to home screen and go again over to your experience. Wait for a bit, and now you should be able to chat with everyone on the specific experience. So here I've joined the same experience. Now as you can see, right besides the hamburger menu at the top left, I have a little chat icon which I can tap over here and then start typing. Now just go ahead and tap on send, and as you can see, I have sent the chat publicly on this experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.